Tired of bad lighting ruining your morning routine in the bathroom? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Be Beauty Planet Makeup Mirror. First up is the Be Beauty Planet Makeup Mirror with lights, priced at $28.65. What caught my attention is its 30x magnifying side, which is perfect for those detailed tasks like eyebrow grooming or applying false lashes. If you want precise makeup application or skincare routines, this is worth a serious look. Now, why does this mirror solve your problem? The 30x magnification means you can actually see every detail, which is a dream come true for those of us who struggle with our eyesight or want to get every little detail just right. Plus, it has 3 lighting modes: natural, warm, and cool, so you can choose the best light for your specific needs. The 3000 mAh rechargeable battery offers up to 2 weeks of use on one charge, which is super convenient if you're always on the go. But I'll be real with you, some users have mentioned that the 30x magnification can be tricky. You need to be really close to the mirror for it to work effectively. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your makeup routine, this isn't really a deal breaker. It's an adjustment that many find worthwhile. This mirror is perfect for makeup enthusiasts or anyone needing a bit more precision in their daily routine. However, if you only need a standard mirror for casual use, you might want to skip this one. At this price, it's a great investment for anyone who values detail in their routine. Now, if you're looking for something a bit larger and more feature-rich, this next option might just blow you away. Product number 2, LOAAO X LED Bathroom Mirror. Next on our list is the LOAAO 24x32 LED Bathroom Mirror, retailing for $116.09. Its dual lighting sources really caught my eye, offering both backlit and frontlit features. If you want a mirror that adapts to your makeup or grooming needs, you should definitely consider this one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of backlight and front light provides super bright illumination, ensuring that no detail is missed whether you're applying makeup or shaving. The dimmable feature allows you to adjust the brightness, while the 3 color temperature options, warm, natural, white, let you tailor the light exactly how you like it. Plus, the anti-fog feature means you won't have to wipe down the mirror after a hot shower. Major win. Now, I did notice some users pointed out that the anti-fog feature only works well in the center of the mirror. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily using it for makeup or grooming, the center area is usually where you'll be focused anyway, making it less of a concern. This is perfect for anyone who really wants to see their reflection clearly while getting ready. But if you're on a tight budget, you might want to look at simpler options instead. The value for the features here is pretty solid. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a larger setup. Product number 3, Kunmi 30x36 LED Bathroom Mirror. The third product is the Kunmi 30x36 LED Bathroom Mirror, coming in at $130.47. What really stood out to me is its sleek design combined with practicality. It features both backlit and frontlit lighting. If you're seeking a blend of aesthetics and functionality, this one's worth a look. Why does this matter for you? You can easily adjust the brightness and switch between 3 color temperatures, allowing you to create the ambience that suits your mood. The defogging function is a lifesaver, especially during those steamy showers, and the memory function remembers your last settings, so you don't have to fiddle with it every time. One thing some customers have mentioned is the installation process can be slightly tricky for those not handy with tools. But honestly, if you're willing to spend a bit of time on it, the results are worth it. Plus, it comes with installation accessories so you won't be left in the dark. This is ideal for anyone looking to upgrade their bathroom with a stylish touch while ensuring practicality. However, if you prefer something simpler or easier to install, you might want to check out other options. For the quality and features, it's a good value. Now, if you need even more functionality, let's talk about the next mirror that really takes it to the next level. Product number 4, LOAAO 36x36 LED Bathroom Mirror. Coming in at number 4 is the LOAAO 36x36 LED Bathroom Mirror for $348.28. This mirror really caught my eye with its stunning size and dual lighting sources. If you're looking for a statement piece that also serves a practical purpose, you need to hear about this. The dimmable settings and 3 color temperatures allow you to create the perfect lighting for any mood. Plus, the anti-fog feature is a game changer. It heats up quickly and stays fog-free for a full hour, so you can walk away from your shower without worrying about visibility. However, some users have commented on its higher price point, calling it a bit steep. Here's the thing though, you're paying for quality and durability, with shatterproof glass ensuring safety and longevity. If you value a high-end experience in your bathroom, this is definitely a worthy investment. This is perfect for anyone wanting a luxury feel in their bathroom without sacrificing functionality. But if you're working with a tighter budget, you might want to consider some of the other options which are more affordable. The quality justifies the price. Finally, let's look at our last pick, which takes practicality down a different path. Product number 5, Amorho 24x32 LED Bathroom Mirror. Last but not least, we have the Amorho 24x32 LED Bathroom Mirror priced at $115.70. This mirror immediately impressed me with its dual lighting system and anti-fog features. If you want a bright and clear reflection every time, this mirror deserves your attention. Why is this important? With adjustable brightness and 3 color temperatures, you can customize it to your liking. The anti-fog function is super handy, warming up quickly to keep your reflection clear even after a hot shower, and it turns off automatically after an hour. One drawback I noticed is that some users found the installation process a bit complex. But honestly, if you're comfortable with DIY projects or have a handy friend, it's manageable. Plus, the durability of the shatterproof glass makes it a safe choice for any household. This mirror is perfect if you value both functionality and safety in your bathroom. But if you're looking for something more tech-driven with additional features, you might want to consider other options. For its price and features, it's a solid choice. Now, let's wrap it all up. So to quickly recap, we have the Be Beauty Planet Makeup Mirror for precise detail, the LOAAO 24x32 for dual lighting, the Kunmi 30x36 for style and practicality, the LOAAO 36x36 for a luxury experience, and the Amorho for a solid balance of features and safety. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Kunmi 30x36 because it offers the best mix of function and aesthetic appeal. On the other hand, I'd avoid the LOAAO 36x36 if you're on a budget, as it's a bit pricier than the others. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.